Hi, this is a video showcasing the puzzle system and the dynamic uses of this within Last Summer. Currently, I have got it set up for a pressure plate puzzle. So I'll just load into the game here. If we select my character and just plop them here, got a few debugs enabled at the moment, so let me just quickly turn these off. We can see our character can move around the level, and this specific plate will change quite a few things. So I'll just show what the initial level state would look like when you're in this room. So when you enter this room, this door will close behind you, and you continue through a room. You try to figure out a way to get out. You go through various different dialogue options, which one exists in between these two foxes, one exists next to this tree, and then you would slowly make your way around the level, and hopefully players would notice this. This is just the first iteration, but this can be done with any asset or can be placed on any trigger. A player will walk over it. We can see this effect radiates from the center, and you can see it has a few effects on the decals using the dynamic materials in Unreal Engine. Then the incoming effect will trigger a sequence, and we can see that sequence has now changed the environment, so this door has been raised back up so the player can get out. This is all done in blueprints. It was easier to iterate on, and it means I can do more sequencing. So, for example, we can see in this one, we have various custom events which we can override in other classes of this and other variants, and then we have generalized functions or custom events to reset the pipes. And what I mean by pipes is these objects. You can see at runtime when we select them, these change from their default material to this rocky kind of this custom rocky material with these lines in. This is one of the custom materials I've made for the game, and that's what enables the radiating out effect. So the main two components of this system are the puzzle manager and the puzzle part. This is one of the segments. So we can see this in a different section of this level. If we go over here, this is a very similar puzzle. It's still pressure plates, and you can see how we can utilize them to have those triggers. So if we walk on two of these, and then we go to this one, the next one, the puzzle gets reset slowly as a way that you've not entered this puzzle correctly, because there is a specific order that the player must do. The specific order for this puzzle is stepping clockwise, and then this once again triggers something else to happen once all the animations are finished. You can see here this rock slides down, it plays a sound effect, and that's pretty much it. It's very easy to use this system. It is just dragging and dropping a puzzle manager into the scene. If you want more custom behavior, just making a child of that and then overriding a function in the puzzle manager called trigger to sequence, and then it's adding and just inputting your relevant sequence code. This can also fit in with my generalized interaction system, since I can just make this inherit an interactable. I can just make the puzzle parts inherit an interaction component, and then hook that into the interacted with, which would communicate to the puzzle manager. And yeah, that's my very easy to use puzzle system, or the one I've figured out for the development of last summer. Thanks very much for watching.